Assalamu alaikum everyone. So you may actually think that this may be the end of Pepe at the moment. Yes, the prices have come down, but I don't think that's the end of Pepe at the moment. And the reason I'm saying this is because Bitcoin looks pretty good. And I'm going to show you what Bitcoin is doing right now. So if you watch the Bitcoin update, I've talked about this before, that you have this one resistance to a break to the upside, a retest right now, and it seems like you're pretty much bouncing off the retest. So you do have the retest right over there, and we may see Bitcoin start to fly all the way to $32,000. So at this point, I'm talking about Bitcoin because I don't see anything important with Pepe, because if you do analyze Bitcoin and you see Bitcoin trying to pump up, we may see Pepe also having a potential direction to the upside. So when it comes to the charts of Pepe itself, I don't know what this is. You do have some possibilities of going down. I don't see any important support and resistance right there. But one thing I'm going to say is the following: that you do have this one little bit of a break there, and you're holding right now. Okay, so you do have like this was your retest right there. You move up, you're coming down again, and you're still holding it again. So support number one, okay. I'm gonna zoom in there. So this is support number one right over there, and this is support number two right over here. So we need to see a break above right there, and you may put in a stop loss down here below that little bit of a wick that you see, which may be 6871. So the potential scenario is that if Bitcoin does try to move to the upside once again, if you see Bitcoin trying to move up, then we may see this thing try to move back up again as well. And one more thing is, in the next 1 hour 45 minutes, you are about to close the candle here. So let's talk about the candle very, very quickly. Now you may see that if you end up coming up a little bit, I'm just going to take the green candle here. So if you do end up coming like this and you print that one green candle just like that, then you're going to have these three candles combining into a morning star. Okay, so that one red in the left, one doji in the middle, and one green at the right there. So you may see this thing ending up being a doji, and then you start to push to the upside as well. So that's all I do see right now for Pepe. I do think that it's time to go up. And for example, if you do end up having that morning star right over there, I do think a good stop loss is going to be down here. And you don't want to come down below that 68 something, 6800 level. And then from there, if Bitcoin does move to 32,000, we may see another push back up here and maybe get rejected and then finally start fall once again. And that's it for this update on Pepe. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.